Welcome back. We have our server listening patiently. Now we need the other half of the conversation, the client. Creating a client is much simpler than creating a server, as its primary job is just to initiate and maintain the connection. 1. Client setup and connection. The client must know the server's address, so we use the same host and port values. We create the socket S using the standard TCP settings. Crucially, we use the with statement to ensure the socket is automatically closed, even if errors occur. The s.connect method initiates the connection handshake with the server, which is the only step required before sending data. 2. Sending and receiving data. All data sent over a socket must be in bytes. We take our string message, hello, server, and use .encode to convert it to bytes. We use s.sendAll to ensure all bytes are sent. To receive data, we use s.recv specifying the maximum buffer size, usually 1024 or 4096 bytes. The received data, which is in bytes, is converted back to a string using .decode. 3. Updating the server for communication. For this client to work, we need to modify the server code we wrote previously. Instead of immediately closing the connection, the server must now receive the data using conn.recv. It then processes the data, here converting it to uppercase bytes, and sends the reply using conn.sendall. The server's work is finished, and the connection socket conn is automatically closed when it exits the with conn end block. To summarize, we have a fully functional TCP client-server model. Our next lecture 27.07, File Server. See you there.